acting a fool. I walked him off, told him don't come anywhere. He showed up here, what, 15 minutes later?
Yeah, and
okay.
he was
So
harassing guests for food.
Okay.
Allegedly, he threatened one of the QSAs.
I don't care if he works here or not.
Okay.
Do you have ID on you? Do you have ID on you? I'm asking you, do you have ID on you?
Where's your ID?
Oh.
What are you going to do? Right now, what are you going to do, guy?
Guy, my name is Joseph Lee.
Okay,
all right, Joseph.
Do you know what we have? What do we have?
Possibly assault Leo. But definitely
Possibly what?
assault Leo.
Yeah, why?
Well, he stood up.
Oh, before he stood up, what did he say?
Said, I'm going to f you up.
Yeah.
And then stood up aggressively.
Yeah, 100%.
Gentlemen, in today's video takes place in Orlando, Florida at Universal Studios Cabana Hotel, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the Orlando Police Department, and we're going to take a look at how these cops handle this situation. I'm going to react to it and give you my take on it as we watch this video together. I'm going to put the link to the channel where I found this video at, Bodycam Nexus, in the description. Give them the credit they deserve. With that being said, pop your popcorn and roll one up.
On August 13th, 2024, officers with the Orlando Police responded to Universal Studios Cabana Bay in response to a trespasser. Prior to the officers' arrival, the caller advised the subject was threatening guests and staff and refusing to leave. He even told an employee that he would beat them up if they did not bring him food.
Hey, how you doing? You're the manager?
Brian's manager over here. I'm
Okay.
Sapphire. He was at Sapphire first, acting a fool. I walked him off, told him don't come anywhere. He showed up here, what, 15 minutes later?
Yeah, and
Okay.
he was
So he's over there at
harassing
the
guests
bar.
for food.
Okay.
Allegedly, he threatened one of the QSAs, quick service attendant. If you don't give me food, I'm going to punch you.
Oh, shit. You have somebody now that actually has eyes on him?
Yeah, one of my officers.
Okay, cool. And if we get
He's
him,
homeless, allegedly.
if we get him to leave, you guys
Still want him officially trespass.
officially trespass? Okay.
Yeah, definitely want him because he just left from over there and came straight
Gotcha.
here. So if we let him go again, he'll end up a dockside probably.
Okay.
They're trying to mature next.
Yeah.
Did he have any items with him or anything, like a backpack?
He has a suitcase.
Suitcase?
I mean,
So he has a
like
suitcase, but he's not a guest here.
No, he's
All right.
definitely not yet.
He's not like real dirty or anything.
Okay.
Like he doesn't look like he's been out.
What's this guy look like?
Tiny, skinny, short, black hair,
Black hair. Is he like a white guy, black guy?
white, Hispanic, maybe you're white.
What's he wearing?
Orange shirt, and I think he has like sweat shorts.
Okay.
Okay, people, this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to share this video. Pay close attention how this interaction, what's been said in this interaction. And if you hear this individual threaten the cops in any type of way, because let me tell you, I sure didn't hear him threaten anyone in this interaction. Let's take a look.
Hey, how you doing, man? You okay?
No, I'm not.
You want to just have you have a seat over here? I'm gonna have a seat over here, man. Yeah. Just want to talk to you for a little bit.
Don't care if you're a police. Don't
That's
put your
fine.
hands on me.
That's okay, man. We don't need to. Where you coming from?
I'm coming from where that gentleman go, Sapphire Falls.
Okay.
So I wouldn't have followed because as that one came from this location, I don't care if he works here or not.
Okay.
I understand that. Do I not?
So these
Do you
people
have ID on you? Do you have ID on you? I'm asking you, do you have ID on you?
Yes, I do.
We're going to just get ID and we're going to go from that route.
all right, is that your bag right there?
Yes.
Where's
Do you
your
mind
ID
if
out in that bag?
can I touch your things?
Go ahead.
Okay, where in your bag is your ID? Hold on. You saying it's in that bag?
Yes, anything at all.
Huh?
Oh.
Where's your ID?
Oh. Do you know who?
What are you going to do? Right now, what are you going to do, guy?
Guy, my name is Joseph Lee.
Okay,
All right,
where's your
Joseph.
ID?
So it looks like the cop was asking him, do you have your ID in your bag? And the individual said, do you know who the F you're talking to? Then he turns around and says, my name is Joseph, whatever his name was. And then he gets up. I did not hear this individual threaten the cops at all. Why? Because the cops now also charge him with assault on a police officer for making threats, stating that he was gonna F up the cops. And to be honest, I never heard him say that, not once throughout this encounter. Now, I understand that he's acting crazy and he might be drunk and stuff like that, but still, the cops are not supposed to lie in police reports.
You understand? It doesn't work that way anymore, okay? Now you're gonna go to jail. Now you're going to jail. Okay, Joseph Lee? Okay, now you're going to jail.
Let's do our
Good
first
stuff.
right now.
That is ID. Let's go to jail.
Come on, man. Stand up. Got anything else on you to poke or stick me? Joseph, just talk to me, bro. All right.
Yeah, let's sit him down for a minute. Try to get his ID.
Joseph.
Stuff there.
Yeah, we'll restart. Come on. Have a seat over here.
Well, when I restarted, you're going to jail. Ready to die.
Come on, man.
You can stop playing that game. You're going to go to jail. So it's just, all right.
Joseph, come over here, man. Sit down for us when we have a discussion, all right? Have a seat.
I've been trying to have a discussion.
Just have him. Just try to get the ID. Just keep.
You don't know how bad I want to.
I was here, man. You didn't do it. So, stop.
That police officer and I respect you.
That attitude ain't going to get you nowhere, Joseph.
That hand's not going to get you where either. Because yes, I may represent God, but my papa will whoop that ass. Oh, God. Because when that ass whooping is again.
Somebody says they're going to fuck you up and stands up, we're taking them down. We're not playing that game with a threat. Now he's going to go to jail for that.
I was not Trump or anybody from
He didn't go to jail because he wanted to himself.
Donald Trump got shot in what year? His right one, because he was not listening.
We'll have him do a trespass for you guys. Okay. And then we'll officially warn him about the trespass. And they'll be wrong. All right? Yep.
So I'm going to jail?
You're going to jail, yes.
Wow. I tried so hard trying to go to jail.
Well, now you made it. Okay, grab him, let's go.
You believe, don't you? You believe, don't you?
Let's go.
You believe, don't you?
Not fair.
Joseph, just walk.
Not fair at all. I made sure people have a good day. A good day. A great one as that one. There's a bunch of people at Universal right now. I believe. I believe.
on, let's go.
The flag hanging every day, looking for white and blue. As you say, I respect all my people. I don't do no evil. That's what I had to say. Making money go hard. I'll be a star and I will never depart. Gotta be a strong person. Never let my enemies show down when I'm hurting. Take a different bite route.
Joseph, come up to the side of the car over here, right by the front. So, stand right here for me. Yeah. Wind your stance out for me, please. All right, we're good. All right, come on, man. All right. All right, go ahead, man. Watch your head. Here we go. Hey, watch your foot, man.
I promise.
Oof. All they have him for. Sorry.
Let me give this deal. Did you run him?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know what we have? What do we have?
Possibly assault LEO, but definitely
Possibly what?
assault LEO.
Yeah. Why?
Well, he stood up.
Oh, before he stood up, what did he say?
So I'm gonna fuck you up.
Yeah.
And he stood up aggressively.
100%. Good. I'm glad you got that. I wanted to make sure you got that. All right. So yeah. So assault LEO resisting. We're done. Take him to jail. We're good with it.
Okay.
All right. We're not gonna play the whole threatening us and standing up shit. So we're good to go.
Okay.
Let me just give him a copy of this. I'll drive. You start banging it out, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. 10-4.
Good job.
Thank you.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, I think these cops overreacted just a bit. They could have handled it different, in my opinion. And of course, they're not supposed to lie in police reports, but they still do. Not once did I hear this individual make any type of threats or threaten the cops, stating that he was going to F them up. Not once did I hear that in this video. But again, that's what these cops are going to write in the police report. And that's why they're charging this man with an extra felony charge. For what? For no reason. Just ruining his life even more than what it already is, probably. You know, there was no need for them to charge him with assault on a Leo. Not once. Come on, man. I think it's ridiculous. This is why these videos are so important, to expose the lies and to expose how these cops handle situations like this. Yes, I understand the individual was acting up. He was acting crazy. He was annoying people, and he was threatening the employees there, and they wanted him trespass. I get that. But again, there's a way to approach people, guys, and I think these cops could have done a better job. That's just me. What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here and you like what you just saw in today's video, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you won't miss none of my bangers in the near future, and everybody, smash the like button. We'll catch you on the next one.